Alright, so in the last video we were able to successfully get the front end coded up, and we have all of these different features. We have our ads here, which this is what we normally have. We have our two ads which code to our bid engine, and then we have three videos. We're able to click on the video, then it takes us to a video page, and I don't think my Docker containers are up right now, so if I click it, it's going to crash out. But we go there, and that has another ad. Now, what I want to do today, what we need to do today is, okay, now once we click on this video, it's going to trigger an event, and that event will will try to provide an ad based off of the description. Now, that's what we're going to try to do in today's video, and let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I'm thinking about is I want to figure out where is that actually occurring, okay? So I have let's go to the front end and close docs, front end here and index.ejs, okay? And now we have this one, and then okay, so video here, if add, and this is like, okay, so by the way, it is getting it from the actual internet. Okay, cool. I was curious about how it was getting that. Um, index.ejs. Now, what happens if fetch two bids in parallel to feature two ads? Okay, this is for the home page. So get video IDs async. Okay, so this is probably what we are going to be looking at. And static. Okay. So now async request and result. Video ID. Okay, I'm gonna move this because I don't like those things distracting me. Hold up a second. Where is my... Here we go. There we go. That's a lot better. So, request parameters ID. So we are trying to get the ID from the video that we just clicked on, okay? User ID here, okay? And now fetch. So we're performing a fetch on the bid engine's URL, API videos, video ID. Okay, so that's what we need to look at. We're going to get something back. Video not found. Okay, so this is trying to get the videos. Something there, and then let add is equal to null. So this is what we're kind of curious about. Await fetch bid engine add, or bid engine API bid. This is what we want. Post here, and then we stringify user ID, placement ID, and video ID. Okay. So now that means I should go in and look at my controller for this. Which API bid, okay. Give videos, and then okay, hold on. Did we not do this yet? API videos and then video ID, okay, goes to API and then so where is the videos coming from? Okay, so here is my controller class, and I am curious about how the URLs for these different GET and POST requests are actually being handled. What is the way that the name is actually derived from the URL? Okay. Is a combination of the controller name and the action attributes. All right, I think I am actually going to have some rocket fuel right now. I'm gonna have some lock-in juice. All right, let's do it. Okay, so in ASP.NET Core, URL routing is determined by a combination of controller name and action attributes. Okay, controller name, which is going to be, what is controller name? Like, what does that mean? Video controller? What is controller name? And action attributes. Your controller uses attribute routing, which is the standard modern for API. Attribute. So both of these things, I don't know what they mean. Here's a breakdown of how your specific URLs are derived. So the base route, route API controller. The route attribute here at the top of your class sets the prefix for every method inside of it. The token controller is reserved keyword in ASP.NET. Here, controller, okay? It automatically takes the name of your class, video controller, and strips away the word controller. Okay, no wonder I was so confused, because as I've said so many times, I hate it when things are not exact. Meaning when, oh, just by convention it takes away controller. Or, oh, just by convention it decapitalizes something. Oh, by convention it pluralizes or singularizes something. I'm like, that's not the way I like programming to be. I like it to be very exact. But anyways, it automatically takes the name of your class, video controllers, and strips away the word controller. So, API videos. Okay. Bid controller video. Okay. So this is going to be at API videos. Okay. And then, so API videos now, oh, this makes sense now. Okay, comes here and is able to work. Okay, this one is API videos as well, but with the ID that we're looking at. So now I want to come in here, API bid, which means that we're now going to be looking at our bid controller. API bid, here we go. And it is going to come into here. No, it's going to be what, a post request? What kind of request is this? Post, yes. A post request. So it's going to come in here and it is going to select winning bid. Okay. It's going to have a video ID. And then we're going to select it based off of here. Okay. So as of right now, it says that we're using it, but we haven't implemented anything, which is exactly what we want. Okay. So what information do I have right now? I have the user ID, right? And I also have the video ID. And from that I can get the description, right? And then I need to find the ads which are closest in length. Okay. So now I want to ask, now I finally want to do the semantic search. So at this point, I have the video ID, which the user is trying to watch the video, and that video has a description which has been vectorized. I now need to go and perform the SQL Postgres PG vector semantic search so that I can find the top 5 nearest ads in my database. All right. All right, so yeah, it's this double arrow thing. So in Postgres, the double arrow operator calculates cosine distance. A distance of 0 means that the vectors are identical, while a larger distance means that they are semantically different. Run this query to find the top 5 ads. Okay, so this is how we do it in SQL. Let's look at how we do it in SQL, and then we can go and move into, okay, well, how do we use Entity Framework to do it? So select a title, and then select a dot description, okay? And then A is ads, okay? V is videos. Calculate similarity. What is that one doing? Minus embeddings to embeddings of the from ads to videos as similarity score, okay? So now where video ID is equal to, okay, yep, order by the semantic search, okay, limit 5. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to have here, and let's see. We will come in here and do await db connection dot ads interpolate. Interesting. So it looks like our entity framework doesn't have the actual way of doing the semantic search nearest vectorization. So I think what it's doing is putting like a literal in here. Okay, so let's write this. I can move this as well. There we go. And it looks like I can't get any smaller, so I'm going to put myself down here. Okay, so what we want to do is have our bid request, okay? And we want to perform semantic search. All right, but disable this one. All right, there we go. So var, okay, var top ads is equal to, and then await. Do we have access to our database right now? DB connection. No, we do not, do we? Hey, go away. Hey! No, no, no. Get out of here. What was that? No, close. Stop that. Okay. So no, I do not have access to this. So I need to go in and I need to send it over to one of my services. I need to send it to my campaign cache service. Okay, so let's do this. Generate embeddings. I'll do one. I'll do one down here. It says public. What should this be? I know that async task, which returns something. I don't know, a list of, what would it be? A list of ads? A list of IDs? A list of ads, I think. Perform semantic search, like this. Okay. So why are you upset? Not all code path. Oh, that's fine. Why are you upset? Ads could not be found. Are you missing a using directive? Yeah, probably. The budget service. Why do we not have ads here? Whatever. So I want to go in and close this. Should be able to close that as well. And we have shared, and I need access to both videos and ads. Oh, just add. Okay. There we go. Now it's happy. Now things are good. So what I want to do is I need to, from my bid selector, I'm going to have to call this. So I can do the await and then perform semantic search. Okay, and we'll need to pass something in there, but why are you unhappy? Well, do we not have, okay. Bid engine services, and this is campaign cache is also in services, so yes we do. Quit your complaining. Okay. Okay. Well, it is in there, so you need to stop complaining. Although I do want to change the name. Perform semantic search for top 3 videos. For top 3 ads. Okay, like this. So we're gonna do that. do this, and now we should be good. So what do we want to do? We want to perform this search. So now I can do the var top ads is going to be equal to await, and then this db connection, okay, or context, and then what do I want to operate on? Ads. Okay, so why is this one plural? The other one is not. So db context. Come up to here. All right, so should be in the constructor, right? Where's that thing that we set everything up? Generate. Is it? Where is that? Oh, it's not in services. It is in like models. No. Properties? No. Data? Yes. Here we go. So we have this ads. So ads is a member variable of the app.db context. Okay, that's why. Okay. So now I come here and I do this dot ads, and then so I want to operate on the ads thing, and then I say, right, yeah, dot from SQL interpolated. Okay, it looks like I do a $sign and an at statement, and then the quotes. Okay. So what do I want to do? I want to select all from, and then ads, order by embedding limit 3. Okay, like this. And then I can do a dot select here. A gets mapped to a new object, okay? A dot ID, A dot title, A dot description, okay? A dot image URL, A dot redirect URL here. Then, oops, come on. Then we come in here and say dot to list async like this. It's a method, and we close it. Okay, so now we have top ads here. Now we should be able to return, yeah, that makes sense. So return okay with top ads like this. Is everything happy? Yeah. Is it status okay, or like what? Oh, wait, no. Just return top ads. There we go. Okay. Implicitly convert anonymous type. So we're having a list of ads, right? So wait. So would it just be a list of ads? Because we're awaiting, right? Okay, it seemed to like that. Perform semantic search here. Does not exist. Well, it does. Okay, it does. So now I made it public, right? Oh, this is within campaign cache, right? I need to do like campaign cache dot. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. All right, so like this and like this here, okay? And we'll let it tell me what I did wrong. SQL query has a major piece, the comparison right now. Oh, right, we didn't even do the actual semantic search, did we? Wait, yeah, order by embedding. Ah, right, okay. And then the double arrow, okay, like this. And then I can do this where I say video or V. No, it's awesome. Thank you for that. Video dot embedding. Okay. And what is going to be in here? We need the actual video. Is that right? No, we need to find the videos from the ID. Okay. So that makes sense. Our video is going to be equal to await, and then we do that same thing, the db context dot, we want to look at the videos and find async for those IDs. Dot find async for just ID. Yeah, okay. Yeah. ID here. Okay. Now if video is equal to null or video what? Dot embedding is null. Embedding is equal to null. Then we want to return, oh, okay, return what? None? I don't know. And this, so then that means that this could be nullable. Something like that. Okay, so I don't want to do this I can't do this in the actual thing. It needs to hit my request. Okay, so fix the semantic search query. So you need to accept the target vector as a parameter in your perform semantic search for top 3 ads method and a parameter. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so now we're going to do awesome. So let's try this. PG vector dot vector called target vector. I like this. Okay. So now I can actually get rid of this here, I think. And then for top ads, await, db context here, interpolate. select star from ads, order by embedding, and now I just can do target vector, okay? Limit 3, and then I don't need this. Okay. Now, task list ads. So we do task here, list add, not nullable. Okay. So now from this, what do we need to do? We need to pass in the PG vector. So I need to go and essentially do what I did up here with, what was it? It was, I need to get the actual, can I go like this, like cache dot, and then from here I should be able to actually perform the operation, right? So, okay, cache dot, and now I'm trying to get, so I'm trying to get video vector var video vector is equal to campaign, or the cache dot, and I want to operate on video. Okay. Get active campaigns. So we're not able to do the SQL queries here. So I do need to, I'll need to write one that says like video vector, like here, public async task here. It's going to be something, it should, pg vector dot vector, okay? And this is going to be find video vector from description, okay? I'm going to pass something in, but I don't quite know what we're going to pass in yet. This one will be, so generate embeddings, create vector from video, find vector from, oh, actually, I already have it. Okay, so I don't want you anymore. Where'd you go? Make sure that you're the right one that I want, right? So I'm going to come in here. I pass in GUID, awesome. It could be nullable, yep. So now I come in here, I look at my videos, I say, this is just performance boosting, whatever, where the video is equal to the ID, I select the embedding, and then I return it. Okay, so this is what I want. With a request dot now I need to go into the bid request, or I can just look here, video ID. Okay. So video ID, why is that not happy? Video ID. wait, no, this is bid request here. So it is. Okay, so it's upset that it could be nullable. So how do I would, what I should do is something like this, right? If request dot video ID is equal to null, right? Then I return a bid response here. So I'll just do algorithm 1. This and request like that. There. Okay. So now you are definitely there. Cannot convert, well, do it. It's not null, so deal with it. Okay, so so now we come here, we get the video vector, and now I want to pass in video vector in here, like that. Okay. And yeah, so this is going to be, we're going to get back from this a PG vector. We do need to await this, okay? Awesome. Okay, so now I should be able to copy and paste these and see what is going on. Come on. Okay, and camping cache. Ooh. Like this, and then come down here to this one. Okay. All right. Refinement. Your use of this is clever, but it reduces the amount of data. One small detail: ensure your bid request object has a dot value. Okay. Okay. So now like this and like that. Okay. Map the closest 3. So now I need to return a new bid response, not the result, which right now is just null. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to say result is going to be equal to new bid response, right? Like this, and then ads. Whoa, 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 whoa. What on earth? Attributes recommended pattern. Okay. I meant to do this one. Ads equals winner dot. Come on. Dot ID. And now what is winner? Winner is going to be the first. Okay. Var winner is equal to top ads dot first. Okay. Winner ID, and now this needs a semicolon there. Okay. Title is equal to winner dot title. Where is my bid response? Why is this not happy? Bid request. This is, where's my bid response? Here we go. What do I call it? Confidence, bid price, add content. Fine. So actually what I need to do is try to get, they're nested, right? So add content. Need to come in here and do like, add content is equal to new, new what? Add content. Like this, and then put these inside of here or something. Okay. URL is equal to winner dot image URL, yeah. And then what are my other ones that I have? Bid request, come on. Image URL, redirect URL, and description. Okay. So this one is going to be Is it not happy? Oh, it's because I didn't put a thing here. Okay, hold on. Redirect URL, there we go, is equal to the winner dot redirect URL, and then what was the other one that is here? Description. Okay. Description is equal to winner dot description. Okay. So now we have those two things. Campaign. Do we have campaign ID? Campaign ID is equal to winner dot. Is this right? I have no idea if I'm doing it right. So we got the add content. Do we have add ID? Yeah. bid price and confidence. Okay. Bid price is equal to winner dot bid okay. I don't know. Is equal to 3. We're just gonna say okay. And now confidence is equal to 8. Okay, there we go. All right, so add logic here. Yeah, we're not doing that right now. So what I do want to do though is look into this a little bit more. To try to understand, okay, well, where is all of this? Like, just looking at it and trying to understand all of where everything is coming from. So I'm going to come here. I am going to so select winning bid by semantic search. Awesome. We have this. And now we pass in a bid request, which is an object which has all of those fields, right? This came from up here. We have a request. So that request has all of those fields, right? And we are going to return back a bid response. So we're just promising that we're going to return back a bid response, okay? That makes sense. That could be nullable if, okay. And we know that this is going to promise us a bid response that could be nullable. So we say, hey, that works, and we can return that, okay. So this one we know is going to return back to us a PG vector. So I say, okay, great. You are going to give me a PG vector based off that video ID. I come in here, I take that up, right? Like I say, great, let me give it to me. Now I have a PG vector in here, and this takes a PG vector and returns back to me a list of ads. Now this could be nullable, right? Possible null reference argument for parameter. How did it say to deal with that? Okay, but anyways, if they're null, then we just do that. And then now, I need to set up a. So I've gotten a winner, and this winner is going to be a one of the items in this list, which is an ad. So I know that it is going to have the fields of. I know that it is going to have the fields of an ad, wherever that is. Ad. Okay, so it has these fields, okay? So that means I have access to all of this, right? And where did it get it from? When we did the search, we got back we're looking for videos, right? Or no, sorry, we're looking for ads. And so Entity Framework is going to translate that and give us the ads that we need. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, so it gives me back the ads that I need, and I pick one, and now that has the field of ad. So now what I need to do is build a bid response. Okay, so here's bid response, and bid response has an ad content in it. Okay, so I have this. So actually, I should be able to go like this here, paste that in there, and then go like this. Bid selector, and now do this one, and it should tell me that I'm on track. Like that. So I'm building a new bid response because I'm creating an object and I'm going to return this. Okay. var result. Oh, okay, fine. Oh, right, because I already did that. Looks solid. Okay, cool. One small detail. Confidence and bid values currently are hard-coded. Yep, that's right. So the bid price, actually bid price might be different. Oh, I'm starting to feel the rocket juice. I'm starting to feel it. So in my ad, I don't have a bid price. I don't care. Okay. So yeah, we're not worried about this because that's actually part of the campaign. So what I would need to do is go into the ad. I would need to look at the campaign ID. I would need to get the campaign ID, and then I would need to get the price. This one. So I can 10 grant. As of now, bid price is hard-coded, comma, in the future I will need to go in and check the campaign ID and from that get the database search to find what the actual bid price of that ad was, period. Okay. So we have it like that. We set everything up. Should we try to run this and see if it works? Let's do it. Let's go. So I want to do git add all of this git, and now actually before I do that, docker compose build. Let's see if it even builds. Okay. So it did build, and now what I want to do is docker compose up. Okay. So we're going to run this, and we will then go to our service here. Okay. We will try to refresh the page and get it to work. Okay. Once it is up and running, see if it's up yet. So yes, it is, although I'm seeing that these two are the same. Okay, good, it is dynamically doing things. Now I'm going to try to click this, and we get the video, okay, and now we get an actual ad. As the sun goes down over the beach. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh my goodness. As the sun, yes, that is the closest. That is the semantically closest. Ultimate C Sharp coding guide. Now, I don't have one that's actually C Sharp. Okay, hold on. So I don't know if it's probably just because my ads don't have, um, when I was putting in my ads, I didn't put in enough data to actually make it, or like I don't have anything about gaming, right? High performance no, it is. The semantic search is actually working. Look at that. This one, high performance laptop, is with fast paced competitive gameplay for first person shooters. Nothing mentioned about laptops there in the description. And we got this right here. High performance laptops for developers and creators. None of the words were the same, but it matched it by meaning. We got semantic search to work. And if I come here, like C sharp coding setup, but this one's summer beach vacation vlogs. You can see like my ads are very like, as the sun goes down over the beach, peace falls upon the land, a beautiful sunset overlooking the ocean, right? Like I wrote those descriptions because I was just testing things out. I was putting ads in my thing. But if we come here, right, like as the sun goes down, peace falls upon the land, which comes enjoying a sunny day at the shore, exploring sustainable beachwear trends, and relaxing under the golden sun. I think this one was AI wrote this one. Um, but it matches here. So that's working. Okay. And then this one, because we don't have enough ads. Oh my goodness. We got semantic search to work. Now, I think that there is going to be more that we need to do regarding going in and trying to understand everything. And then obviously we need to put more ads in here. We need to improve it. But as of right now, it is working. So I am going to come here. I am going to get out of this, and we're going to save our work. So git add, right? Should be clean anyways. Git commit -m, and then successfully implemented semantic search based on video description and advertisement description, period. Okay, so we're going to do that. We are going to come to our GitHub, refresh the page, go to Add Simulator, and we will, once it, oh, right, I need a push. Git push origin, and then feature semantic search, go. All right, there we are. Successfully implemented a semantic search based on video description and add description. Okay. All right. So create pull request, let it run, do its testing. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. All right. So where do we go from here? Trying to analyze. All right. So we were able to successfully complete this. We definitely used AI, and we need to make sure that we understand what's going on more. I don't know, like, where I need to put my energy towards. Like, do I keep on building? I have no idea. I have no idea how. I'm just playing things by by ear, essentially, just trying to figure out, okay, well, I'm building this project, I'm trying to learn as much as I can. How do I actually accomplish that goal? I don't know. But I know that AI is also a skill, and so trying to do that. Okay, so this is about to finish, and I am going to be able to merge my semantic search. Come on, go smoke test. Go smoke test. All right. Once that finishes, we are good. All right, there we go. And merge pull request. And do this. And confirm merge. Okay. There we go. We got it. We got it. It is working. Pending, pending. Come on. Do it, do it, do it. Right, 3 minutes ago. Awesome. So, there we go. We have successfully implemented the semantic search. As I've said, there's a lot of other stuff that we need to do on this project. We need to be able to monitor click events. We need to be able to actually subtract the budget. We need to be able to uh, move to fully implement the A/B testing. We need to be able to. There's a lot of stuff that we still need to do, and now I've been rushing towards implementing semantic search for a little while now. We did it, and now I'm like, okay, well, hold up. Okay, we accomplished it. Now I feel like I'm at the finish line to where I have been running towards, but there's still so much else that I need to do. So now I'm kind of at like, okay, well, do I review what I did and make sure, like, try to internalize it and understand exactly what happened, or do I go towards the other stuff that I have been wanting to do with my project? How do I actually organize this? I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to think about this and then move forward in the next videos. So yeah, if any of this is interesting, subscribe. I would love to have you along, and we will go on this journey together. So thanks for watching. My name is Timothy Lee Grant, and see you guys in the next video.